The feast of San Juan Bautista is celebrated in a unique way in many parts of the Philippines. People throw water at each other as a way of remembering the saint as Christ's baptizer. Some devotees put flower petals to scent the water they splash on people. The Cebuano term for splash is Sabyag. As our way of celebrating the feast of St. John, we are making a prayer chain among our staff inspired by this tradition. We invite you to join us in the San Juan Sabyag chain.
Hello, ako si Anton and today I'll be doing the Sabyag chain for the San Juan celebration. My petition and prayers for the Sabyag chain or this celebration is for all of the unemployed people right now who has lost the opportunities to find a job because of the pandemic situation. May you guys have better days ahead. And next, I would like to Sabyag rave to do this next challenge.
Hi, I'm Rave, and my petition to Senior San Juan is for my family and all the families who are affected with the COVID-19 virus to have to recover. And I, Sabyag, Melka Lausid next.
My petition to San Juan is for the healing of those who are suffering from various sickness, especially the COVID-19 patients, and I hope that they will be able to recover soon. Next, I'm going to nominate Faye for the San Juan Sabyag Challenge.
I pray for the protection of all frontliners who are tirelessly working and away from their families. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Now, I nominate Ren to do the Sabyag Challenge.
Offer this prayer for the homeless. May they stay safe, and may they also find solace amid this coronavirus pandemic and lockdown. And I nominate Gold for the Sabyag Challenge.
Happy Fiesta San Juan. My prayer petition is for those who are healing for those who are suffering from depression and anxiety. I pass this challenge to Mary Jane.
My prayer petition for San Juan celebration is to those people who are working amidst this pandemic to keep them safe and healthy. I pass this San Juan Sabyag chain to May.
I'm praying for the law enforcement officer, and I challenge Ms. Jasper Colaiko for the Sabyag Challenge.
Happy Fiesta San Juan! My intention for this fiesta is for the strength, healing, and protection for my sister working as a nurse abroad. Now I nominate Sir Flock to do the Sabyag Challenge next.
My prayer petition is for those who died in this pandemic. May God give them eternal rest. I pass on this San Juan Sabyag chain to Andy. Woo!
Hi, I'm Andy. My prayer petition for San Juan is for all the leaders to adapt to the circumstances of this pandemic. I would like to challenge all their opinions to the Sabyag Challenge.
Hi!
My petition is for those who have friends and families passed away due to the pandemic. May their hearts heal and may they have better days ahead. Next, I nominate Joey for the Sabyag Challenge.
Happy Fiesta San Juan! My prayer petition is for essential workers for keeping us safe and comfortable in these trying times. I pass this San Juan Sabyag Chain Challenge to Jackie.
Happy Fiesta San Juan! My prayer intention is for those local businesses and families that have been affected by financial stress. And I challenge you to the San Juan Sabyag Chain Challenge.